Hi, this is Sony here and I welcome to my garden. Today I am very happy because I am going to create a new life. In this video you will learn how to multiply your plants. Today I am going to propagate Dracaena plants and show you how you will get 100% result. So let's start with cutting first. Take a sterile cutter and select the plant which you are going to cut. I am going to cut this cordyline. This way you need to cut it. Same way you have to cut each and every plant. Don't worry about this part. From here you will see the new growth, like the way which is down. This is Song of India. This is green Dracaena. The pattern of this leaves is like a foxtail palm tree leaves. This is pink cordyline. Initially the leaves are pink and then it turns green. I'm going to cut this also. This is Mahatma cordyline. I'm going to cut it from little down because it already has one root, so I'm going to take that root up. Make sure you sterile your cutter or scissor whenever you cut the plant for propagation. This is brown Dracaena. It has a white border. This is green Dracaena. It has very thick leaves. It's a best ornamental plant. So here are my cuttings. I did make video for all the plants while cutting. You don't have to be extra careful while cutting, but be careful with soil what you use. I take half portion of coco pit, 1/4 of soil and 1/4 of fertilizer, any organic fertilizer please. I don't use any chemical based fertilizer for these plants because these are really easy to grow. I am going to propagate few plants in soil and few plants in water. You need to cut those leaves which are at the bottom. As a root hormone I use honey and cinnamon and I put little turmeric powder in it. It prevents from fungal infection. And you can plant it like this. Don't stuff the soil too much. You will get 100% result if you use coco pit because root has enough place to grow. It can grow easily. Same way you have to do rest all plants also. So one plant is ready and this is a green Dracaena. Same way you have to remove all the leaves. Cut it in a slanting way. The method is same which I did for my earlier plant. You just have to follow it the way I am doing it. And then stabilize the plant in the pot. Please follow same method for each and every plant. This is dragon tree and I am going to cut it with knife because it has little hard stem. Make sure you cut it in a slanting way. let's do water propagation. How to grow this hard stem in water? So let's cut it in the same way. Here I am going to tell you the secret what I am going to feed these plants in water. My mother used to always use waste vegetables to feed these plants. You must be wondering how I will feed these plants vegetable in this water. Don't worry, I will show you. Please wait. This is how we have to cut and put all the plants in the water, just in water, plain water. These plants are ready. Now what I am going to feed them? Let's see. These are some potatoes which I have sliced and put it in water. It is there in the water since an hour. Now I am going to put this water in each and every plant. I will mix this water. This promotes in growing root faster. But please make sure if you are using any vegetable water, you have to change the water every third day. Now that's all. All plants are ready now. Keep it in shady place for next 40 days and observe it. Now it's time to see the result. This is what happened when you cut from top. Can you see the new growth? Isn't it very pretty? This was the shoot. Now see these roots. This cut of plant I kept it 2 months back. You can see those roots. Wow, there are so many roots. Now it's an independent plant. I just took a small cut from the mother plant and now it is grown to be an individual plant. These are green dracaenas. There are enough of roots in it. See this, there are so many. But in this dracaena, the stem which was inside the water, there are no roots, but the roots are above it. But it's okay, you can cut it and then you can put it in soil. Changing water twice a week or every third day is must. Let's have a close look of my achievement, which you can also achieve it if you follow this process. This makes me very happy and I'm sure you will also enjoy doing this propagation and you will love multiplying your plant without spending so much of money in buying plants. Now let's see the growth of root in the soil. This is a green plant and see the root how it has grown. There are so many roots. I will show you all the result which I have grown in soil and I'm sure you will also get 100% result if you do anything with love. These are the plants which I have kept for water propagation and soil propagation and I am 100% sure that I will get good result. If you enjoyed seeing me creating new life, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.